Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Today we're going to go over a Cadillac toy collection that will be coming to auction with Mars Auctions in affiliation with AntiqueToys.com. So stay tuned for more. Okay, cheers from Ed. We are going to get into fun. You know, sometimes items are stodgy, sometimes they're cool, sometimes they're just goofy. We're going to go with goofy and fun today. We have a collection from a late great Cadillac person, and the gentleman, his estate came our direction, and you know, let's start with something ridiculous and fun like this back-end 50s pink Cadillac radio. And then we go to, this was box number 1, box number 2, and what is behind it? All right, look. Wow, that's a lot of caddy. We start with 50s Cadillac bookends. We jump over to gear shift Cadillacs. Scale Series Bandai, done in affiliation with Roscoe. We have golden Cadillacs. We have modern pink gas canisters. And this particular toy catches my eye. When it rotates, it's on a friction drive. But isn't that great? You got, we'll zoom in a little better. We have windshield wipers that move. We have a light and a battery compartment underneath it where my big hands are in the way, but later we'll get more photos. We have some of the more square caddies here. Looks like 50s style. This is sort of a fat car design, more crude but fun. It's more entry level, tended to be earlier 50s. Here's another fat car, and it's caddy because of the symbol. Then when we get more towards the 60s stampings, we get much more detailed Cadillac with the fins, friction, even marked as such, and probably licensed by Bandai, allowing them to use front emblems. Heck, look at those hubs. Why, yes, that is a poodle, and that is a salt shaker and pepper shaker. What you totally don't need, but should make you smile. After acres and acres of bubble wrap, the grand reveal of, frankly, one of the nicest caddies out there. I believe it's a Fleetwood, and it's a 4-door. Often I think this is known as a hardtop because there's no pillar. It reminds you of a convertible, but it's not marked. And good looking toy. I think this is more of a Chevy style. Old timer Cadillac. Not exactly what you'd expect, but fun. And then let's get back to this big bad boy. This will come up on Mars, M-A-R-Z auctions, more towards an August-September timeline of 2025. But, wow. And I've not seen this particular variation with that random action, bump and go action. But our Cadillac friend owned it. He seemed to have about everything. And this guy is in the collection for others to check out, and we'll adopt it out. All right, so cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys and Mars Auctions. You can reach me at toys, T-O-Y-S, at AntiqueToys.com. I will be there to help out, adopting out, buying, consigning, just having fun, and don't be afraid to reach out. Let us know if you have similar Japanese toys, Japanese tin, Cadillacs, cast iron banks, G.I. Joes, Star Wars 12 packs, you name it. We're having fun. So reach out and have a great afternoon. Cheers from Ed.